here, the uNu aluminum ended lightning cable in both colors. It comes in silver and in gold. Also, both cables are Apple certified, meaning no errors will come up when you use this cable and use Apple certified parts. I'll take the cable out of each box and show you what it looks like close up. So I'll take both ends of each cable and show you them close up. Each end has a little piece of plastic on it, so it may not look too clean right now. I'll try to remove it right now. There we go, that's one end. And that's the other end, okay. So I'll show you that again. Now it looks nice. These are aluminum ends, and I'll show you the size of each end. They're on the small side, but they're not the size of apples. So if you use a case that barely fits your Apple cable, these cables won't work, but these work with all the cases I have used. For example, I have a UAG case and plugs in just fine. And a spec case on my iPod Touch, and it works fine. So I'll show you these cables work. I plug it into a battery pack. I have the Tor version of the battery pack. Plug both cables in. Here's the gold cable. Plug in my iPod Touch. No error came up. And my iPhone 5 plugged into the silver cable, and no error came up. There you go. And both cables work, so you can that they are charging. There you go. Overall, these are very nice cables. They feel very nice. Also, the cable is braided. And it looks very nice. It makes it very durable. Try to focus it in for you so you can get a nice clear look at it. And the silver cable. And there you go. Overall, I highly recommend these cables. I like the feel of them. They have aluminum ends, and I like that a lot. This review is done by Zachary. I get the uNu Lightning cables of 530.